Hello everyone, this is Ankita Berde. Welcome you all on my YouTube channel. I had uploaded these notes, that is the packaging materials. Under the you will also get the link to download the notes under the community tab, and also I will provide the link in the description box that is regarding the notes on the packaging material. So packaging material, this is the second chapter for the first year diploma in the pharmacy, and this is also for the B.Pharm pharmaceutics syllabus. So this is the packaging material. It is an integral part of the pharmaceutical product. So we can define, that is the packaging, which means what? It is an article or device which contains the pharmaceutical products, and the product may be means able to come in the direct contact with the product or may not be come. Then after that, then we had seen, that is the packaging material. So types of packaging materials are also there in that. So in the types of packaging materials are there. Classification of the packaging materials also there. Type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4, and colored glasses are there. And see, there are the different names are given for each and every glasses. Kindly go through it. Then after that, now see, that is primary package is there, primary package, secondary package, and tertiary package is also there. So that is primary package means what? That is your tablet, that is the strip of the tablet or the bottle of the syrup, that is comes directly contact with the formulation, that is the primary package. Then secondary packaging means what? That is additional packaging material, means one container is inside that box, and out of that box that covering is there. Then tertiary package means that is boxes which are there, that leaflets are there, so that is the tertiary packaging. Then advantages of packagings are also provided. Then very important selection criteria for packaging material. So based on physical characteristics, facilities available, formulation components, stability, economy, convenience, miscellaneous some criteria are there. Then based on regulations, buyer specification, socio-cultural criteria, retailing characteristics are there. So kindly go through the selection criteria. So packaging material, that is, it provides the protection against the all adverse external influence, that is alter the properties of the products. Then glass containers are there. So these glass containers, they are commonly used to store the products, because this glass possesses that superior qualities over the other qualities. Then see, these containers, they are come into the direct contact. Advantages of the glasses are there. It is impermeable to water, vapor. Glasses are available in the various sizes and shape. Disadvantages of the glasses are there. So next one, this is very important. Borosilicate glass, it's a type 1 glass. Then treated soda lime glass, it's a type 2 glass. So regular soda lime glass, type 3. And see for which purpose it is used, that is the borosilicate glass. So that is this type 1 glass. Okay, suitable packaging for what? Most preparations, whether parenteral or non-parenteral फॉर्म्युलेशनसाठी यूज केले जातात. देन ट्रीटेड सोडा लाईम ग्लास इज देअर, सो दॅट युजेस ऑफ द ट्रीटेड सोडा लाईम ग्लास. देन रेग्युलर सोडा लाईम ग्लास इज देअर, then general purpose soda lime glass type 4 or NP, and then that is NP stands for the non-parenteral, and colored glasses. So these uses are also important. General purpose soda lime glass is mainly used for the topical products and different dosage form. Topical products means mainly creams are there. So for that creams, these mainly use. Then colored glasses are also there. Plastic is also there. Plastic containers are there. Advantages of plastics are also there. Metal is there. Advantages of metal, we are seeing disadvantages. Then metal is typically divided into the three class, that is the aluminium, tin and lead. So aluminium material, tin material, lead material is there. Then in case of the rubber, so different types of the rubber, that is natural rubber, neoprene rubbers are the types of the rubbers. Advantages of rubbers, disadvantages of the rubber, that we had seen. Okay, so it is in the packaging material. So see these notes you can download. Please check the description box. In the description box you will get the links to download the notes. Also check the community tab. Under the community tab you will also get the link to download the notes. Okay, so thank you so much for fully watching this video. If you had not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe first and press the bell icon to get the latest updates of upcoming videos. Thank you everyone. God bless you.